Hello guys, it's good to have you guys back to the channel. I hope you guys had a great week. So yeah, this is another video on my weekly market review. So I'll be going through the price action for this week and be reviewing what price did throughout this week so we can get some kind of understanding of what price did this past week, which will prepare us to tackle the market in the coming week. So yeah, this video is just going to be a quick one. So because I already made a similar video like yesterday concerning the trade breakdown I took during this week. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I would advise you to go check it out. And yeah, let's dive into this video because I don't want to make it a long one. So let's just go straight into the chart. But first, before we go to the chart, we can go on our forex factory as usual. So yeah, so we see what news came out this week. Okay, yeah. So this was it? Yeah. So this was the news we had this week. So yeah, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we all had the red folder news. Yep. So now we can go into the chart and try to correlate what happened fundamentally and see what price did technically. So yeah. First of all, I'll have to start analyzing with the dollar index. This was the start of the week on the dollar index here. So what's really happened here? As you can see, the dollar didn't really make any move. The dollar was in a consolidation for the whole week. I think part of it has to do with what is going on with in the conflict going on between Gaza and Israel. Yeah, so there's a lot of uncertainty. So the market is just trying to look at how the situation pans out, so you can now know how to balance everything in the chart. So this week was just a consolidation on the dollar. So the dollar was just going sideways. There was no intended direction on the dollar. So what was that telling us about what was going to happen to every dollar related currency? It wasn't going to be a clean price action movement. So going to going to GBP USD, we can notice this week started right here. So we can notice a quite consolidation, making lower highs and kind of at this point a price was forming a bearish pennant, but it broke it and went to the downside. So at this point we were kind of in a bearish, we are still in a bearish phase, but price was just having a hard time going down or making up its mind. So price action was just consolidating for the most part of this week and no really one-sided movement. So yeah, this week was just a poor price action environment. But what we notice from this week is that price expected a strong support zone here. Yeah, price expected this strong support zone. So going to the next week, we have to pay attention of what price does at this trend line, descending trend line, and this support. And if price break this, we are expecting up. If price break this, we expect a downward movement. So that will be on the outlook. And now coming to Euro USD, as you can see, Euro USD had a bullish week this week that we had. It was bullish, and on the GBP USD and GBP USD was somewhat bearish. Have in mind, GBP USD and Euro USD are similar. They move in tandem. Like if Euro USD is going up, there's a high chance of GBP USD going up. So since the dollar was consolidating, these two pairs now decided to form a mind of their own. So Euro USD was now on a bullish trend, as you can see, while GBP USD was on the bearish trend, which shows very poor market condition. This most parts of the week, Euro USD has been trending upward, making higher and respecting support. So if you took a buy on Euro USD, you would have made money this week, while taking a sell or taking a buy on GBP USD, you would most likely would have lost money unless you took a buy from this down, from this extreme support here. So yeah, this is just a quick review on what happened this price action week. And yeah, as you can see from the narrative, price on the dollar was consolidated. It was just on this tight extreme. It was just bouncing around this, so it was indecisive. And I said it's depending on what is going on currently between Israel and Gaza, the conflict there, and the uncertainty the dollar has, and the involvement the US have with the whole situation. So we have to keep our mind set to expect what will come up in the coming week and see how the dollar respond to the economic situation. So yeah, thank you guys for coming to the video. I really appreciate. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace.